To install the exterior handle return springs, loop the U-shaped part of the spring around the neck of the stainless steel handle with the two larger loops of the spring facing down as shown in the video. Next, loop one of the spring's loops around the cylinder-shaped part of the handle and pull the other loop all the way around to loop around the other end of the cylinder-shaped part of the handle as shown in the video. Note, this may take some patience as the springs are quite sturdy. Once the spring is secured on the handle, it should look identical to this handle and spring as shown in the video. Note that the openings of the smaller loops on the end of the spring are facing the two prongs on the fork end of the handle. Next, insert the handle prongs into the dispensing piston as shown here, making sure that the small loops on the spring stay in front of the faceplate as shown in the video. Then line up the pin for the handle and insert it in order to secure the handle.